Okay, we're gonna put this one side. Oh, where? Okay, we're gonna put this here. Well, I put all this here. I have no idea where you're looking right now. I am so hungry. Okay. Let's open this baby up. On the floor. This, do you know this actually got delivered to another place?
Oh,
So it could have been stolen. I don't know if someone brought it or the delivery man realized he.
Well, you know, downstairs there was a package for this time was there. I just returned it. It belongs to the.
Yeah, for a few weeks.
Oh, so much.
They keep delivering on nice and delivered here. Oh my god, look at this! Ta-da! See?
What's all this?
Magic 2, 3, and 4, 8. Oh, okay, let's open this one first. I got another parcel. I think I should use
a very good one.
I'm gonna open it on the table here. I have left my crystals because I just did a extra huge crystal haul, and I left this here so that I can pack them in. Whee! Balloons! I have so many boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got this from Amazon. Just because. Let's name this video the Randomest haul. And hi guys! Today we're gonna do a post crystal haul. No, today we're just gonna do a random haul. Here I have this comb that comes with a pouch, and I found this for the cheapest on Amazon. They have like many different prices from like 10 over to 20 over, and I believe this was like $8, and I wanted to use this as a comb. Not comb, but like a massage for my scalp. I saw this on a video where this lady, she grew out her hair so long, and she showed us her complete hair routine, and I felt inspired to do scalp massages to care for my hair and my scalp. So here I got myself this. I think my hair is in a complete mess and I am just not gonna care. Okay, so pretty. I love this. Yeah. Okay, let's open. Ta-da! This one is so cute. So the funny thing is, I actually watched this crystal haul by this lady, and she had a crystal that was shaped a little bit like an olive, and I actually didn't find any pieces that looked like an olive. But I was on Urban Outfitters because I was looking for I was actually on Etsy first and Amazon because I was mainly looking for boxes or containers or storage that I can put my crystals in beautifully. And then I came across Urban Outfitters, which coincidentally they have a 50% discount for a lot of their items. Especially the ones that I was looking at. So, hence, we have this little Urban Outfitters surprise haul. And while I was looking there, obviously you have to look at other items that might be cute and fun and stuff. And I found this little olive sugar dish bowl that comes with a spoon, which of course you don't have to use for sugar only. You can use it for salt as well. This was a little splurge just because it's too cute. They have a bagel one as well. They have other things like many other things. So look at this. Oh my gosh, it's actually not very big. I already expected it. Oh, and it's dishwasher and microwave safe. Oh my god, no. Luckily it's not spoiled. And then it comes with this little mini spoon, and obviously put this in so it looks like an olive. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is the cutest thing ever. Although it actually doesn't close up. I thought it might help to close up, but it's alright, I guess. One other thing is that after I bought all of this, they have free shipping above a certain amount. And after I bought all of this, I actually saw that there was a cute little heart waffle maker, which thankfully they also sell on Amazon and other places, so I can easily replace that. It's just that they don't have the same exact design that Urban Outfitters have. This is the next item. Oh my gosh, I was just babbling on. I don't know if you can actually see, but this is a crescent moon set. It's actually an ashtray, this one, but I'm gonna figure out a way to use it for something else. And over here is actually something for incense. I actually got a, let me just pick it up. In one of my crystal hauls, I actually have a free piece of incense that came as a freebie. And this is an incense holder for you to burn your incense, which I thought was very pretty and very cool. And if I don't want to use that, then I can also put my little rings, jewelry, crystals or whatsoever on this. I'm pretty sure the smaller items of crystals can be put here, which I can show you. Uh, 勉强一下好不好？ Ta-da! So I can put like really mini ones here, which is actually quite pretty, especially imagine it on a side table and stuff. So yeah, here it is, my crescent moon bowl thingy. Let's see, how do I open this here? This one is, it says here, petal snack bowl. Oh, I know what is this. I have an obsession with bowls now. Oh my god. Oh, it's much bigger than I thought. I thought it was gonna be small. Oh my gosh, I love this. They have this in like many different colors, and it was 50% off. And it was originally 10, so I got this for 5 years. Wow, I should have gotten like a couple more. It looks a little lilac, but really it is pink. A little lilac pink. Really love this piece. It's so cute. Look at that. There were so many more items I wanted to get, but I was like, you know what? No, I limited myself because honestly, we don't need that many dish bowls, right? Okay, this one's pretty cute, I guess. I thought of using this for my crystals as well, or jewelries. Did I go a bit much with like the bowls and stuff? It's so pretty. They have this in 3 colors. I got this particular one. The other one I was looking at was either this or cream. This is the teal version. This after discount is $7. After this, we have 2 more items left and we are done for the haul today. This is much bigger than I thought as well. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I bought this little mug of a woman. What do they call this? It is a female form mug and it is 12 ounce. I really love it. Oh my gosh. I wanted something earthy color. Actually, all of them are earthy color. It's just that I thought this would be a good addition and it feels very zen to place this color at home. And look at this. Her ass is so beautiful. It's so cute. I love this. So I actually initially wanted to get this because I wanted to put all of this, not because I wanted to use as a mug, just because I found that it's a little uncomfortable to drink like that. So anyways, I thought it would be very pretty to put this ones in. Oh my gosh, like that as a display piece, or maybe even this. Yeah, I guess that works as well. But this one will be too long for that, so it's better for this to go here. Possibly I can put my selenite wand here. So there are a couple ways to go around this. For now, I am just gonna put it in like that. Sounds so fragile. Look at that, that's so pretty. Okay, 2 more to go. This is the Octagon box. Honestly, right now I don't see any item that I want to return at all. Everything is so cute. So it's like a little funny reveal, like, ta-da! In my crystal haul video, I look so tired, and somehow I feel like my energy is coming to me now. I am completely not a morning person, and I started my filming like since 11 plus, 11 to 3 plus, and I am now gaining energy. This is so typical of me. Okay, here is my little octagon box. Oh my gosh, this is so messy. I am gonna sweep this away first. We are gonna sweep this into the box so that it will be not so messy. Okay, we're gonna open the last one first before we sort out my crystals. I had initially wanted to put like my crystal setup in the box in the haul video, but now that I think about it, the haul video is gonna be so crazy long. We are just gonna do it in this video, just so that you guys can, those who are really interested can watch this instead. Ta-da! Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Ooh, I'm actually pleasantly surprised by this item. He has so many obstacles to cross. Anyway, I am so pleasantly surprised by the items. Like this one, they are so huge. Like this, these two are 50% off as well. And after discount, this is $17 and this is $12. Actually, there were so many other jewelry dish that I wanted to buy. This has a mirror, whereas this one doesn't. So it's just clear on the bottom. Oh, it's made in India. Not sure why. Oh, it comes with this little clasp. And so what we're gonna do, blow, that's the way to cleanse. Okay, so yeah, that is the haul for now. Right now is the time for us to figure out this crystal stuff. So I saw that in the measurements this 5 inches. So okay, let's start with the smaller one first. I am gonna place this in like that. Ooh, this is pretty. I was trying to decide between 3 different colors on the linen fabric. I was mainly looking at white. This is, I think, beige, or I don't know what they call it, ivory. And the third one is lavender. And I thought that this one would look the most natural and also allow the colors of the crystals to really show up as they are. Currently I'm sleeping with this peach moonstone and my trolite under my pillow, so I think these ones are gonna be placed here so they are more reachable. Strawberry quartz is gonna go in. What else do I want to go in? You know, for this bowl, I was thinking it's better to put like round items. As you can see, my cup, I have already filled it. I'm happy with this. Ooh, it sounds a little scary, like it's gonna spoil. I don't know if you can hear that, but it definitely sounds quite flimsy. I'm gonna place this here just so it relies on that to rest in. So that is all for this little haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.